Okay, so welcome everyone to this wonderful magical journey where you start living a life full of happiness. Yesterday we talked about the importance of gratitude for money, how we need to be grateful for abundance of money we have received throughout our life. So, did anyone do the assignment? Did you do your assignment and some questions? Any question or sharings if you have? See, it was about that how grateful for the money by identifying times when you received money in abundance. It could be in any way, like you received some discount or some offers, check, cash, whenever. But probably you just took that time to that situation for granted. So we need to identify those situations when we took the money for granted and we didn't give our gratitude, which was required at that particular time. The whole idea is that when we give gratitude to the situation wherever we are stuck, suppose we are stuck in relationship or we are stuck in health, money, whichever area it is. The moment we are stuck, we need to understand that it is that we are living in survival mode. We have to come out of it. And when we try to come out of it, we can only do it by being grateful. Grateful for what we have rather than for feeling what we don't have. तो जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव थॉट्स में हो जाते हैं, जब हम desperate हो जाते हैं and we start feeling disappointed about a particular situation, that is the time when we feel and we start creating more situations like that to be ungrateful for, to be more disappointed for. That is the whole concept. So that was about yesterday's class, and today we have again a beautiful chapter which is on magical to do list. How can we be the creator of our day by choosing what all need to be done and then creating that situation where we are able to fulfill whatever is supposed to be done on time. सो बहुत ज़रूरी है ये समझना कि हम कैसे अपनी टू डू लिस्ट को करें और उसको हम पूरा भी कर सकें, मतलब उसको हम सोल्यूशन उसको कुछ रिजॉल्व भी कर सकते हैं वट एवर वी नीड टू डू. And the techniques which are given in this chapter are so simple as the chapter is. There are times that when we feel that there are lots of pending work which gets piled up, and there are few things which we need to sort out with somebody, and we need to identify that what are those areas by which we can complete. Here when I say complete, I mean to find some resolve, to find the solution. This word complete I understood when I did the landmark forum. तो उसमें हम complete word बोलते हैं. That is that if there is anything that you are stuck some area, so you need to find the solution. ना कि ये तो होना ही था और अब तो लाइफ में ऐसा ही चल रहा है, कोई solution ही नहीं दिख रहा, and you think that बस अब गाड़ी तो आगे चल नहीं पा रही है, so I'm just dragging my life along. But that is not so, because that is your belief that you develop over a period of time. So, how to get out of that belief system? How to create that positivity around and create your belief system to be a kind of a person who takes the challenge on, to take the charge of your life and be the creator of your life. How can you do that? Because there's so many things. Sometimes you feel that you need to clear up your desk, you need to clean your almirahs, you need to, catch up with some old friend, or clear your mobile with so many extra things, clear your laptop with extra files, and so on and so forth. Things are like the unlimited things which you need to do, but that keeps piling up. So how to do that? And that is shown here in very, very simple way. So let's start reading the chapter. Before reading it, I would like to show you some image that talks about how your day should start. Yeah. So, how to make the most of every day? Wake up early. This is like wake up early, but how early? That is the whole idea. So most of the time we have seen that all successful people, they wake up early in the morning and they try to finish their task as early as possible. And when you wake up, normally when we wake up, they are just over with all their tasks, all their plannings. They visualize the whole day accordingly and they are able to do it because the first and foremost important thing is waking up early, जिसको हम ब्रह्म मुहूर्त बोलते हैं, अमृत वेला बोलते हैं. That is 2 hours before the sunrise. So it is approximately 3:30 in the morning till 5:30 in the morning. That is approximate time. तो उस समय में क्या है जब आप सुबह उठते हैं, so mind is full of pure thoughts. That is the time when you start to pen down something. That is the time all writers, they start writing something, and your thoughts are pure in a way that there's a lot of clarity, and you can really write. I have seen it myself. Now I have started waking up early in the morning, and I have a morning ritual which I follow, so which I'll be sharing you as we go further in our course. Waking up early in the morning also makes you, like we did our chapter earlier, that when we wake up in the morning, we understand the importance of certain things in our life and how we can be grateful for those things. कि हमें ये लाइफ मिली है जिससे हम पूरे दिन की हम शुरुआत कर सकते हैं, हम जो चाहते हैं वो हम अचीव कर सकते हैं. We can plan our day. We have so many things to do. It is only how we set the priorities, and how to set the priorities that we understand. Then is you visualize your day. तो विजुलाइज कैसे करना है कि आज विजुलाइज मतलब यू इमेजिन. विजुलाइजेशन इज वन ऑफ द टेक्निक ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेशन. 5 तरीके की टेक्निक है मैनिफेस्टेशन की, लिखकर, बोलकर, सुनकर, कल्पना कर कर और देखकर. तो उनमें से 5 में से एक टेक्निक है कल्पना, दैट इज विजुलाइजेशन. तो जब आप इमेजिन करते हैं, यू विजुलाइज व्हाट यू रियली वांट फॉर द आउटकम ऑफ दैट डे. मतलब जो आपने आज प्लान करा है, आप पहले से विजुलाइज कर देते हैं कि ओके दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट, दिस इज द एंड रिजल्ट. सो यू फोकस ऑन द एंड रिजल्ट. दैट इज कॉल्ड विजुलाइजेशन. बट प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट विजुलाइजेशन इज ऑलवेज, इट इज ऑन द पॉजिटिव affirmation. So you visualize by giving positive affirmations that we will also learn while doing this chapter. Plan your meals. तो उससे बहुत easy हो जाता है. Suppose आपकी 9 बजे मीटिंग है जहाँ पर आपको 8:30 बजे जाना है और आज आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं आज छोले भटूरे खा लूँ. That is not possible because you need to plan your meal. You are going for the meeting, so you have to take care of your diet. कि आपने किस समय क्या खाना है, कितने बजे क्या मीटिंग है, so that you are able to reach on time. Find the good. Good here means that what is the outcome which brings you some positivity? What is that outcome which brings you the good feeling? What is that good out? तो हर चीज में कुछ ना कुछ good है. You find the good. That's what is there in each chapter, that you have to do the treasure hunt. हर चीज में आपको कुछ अच्छाई दिखेगी, कुछ अच्छा दिखेगा, कुछ बुरा भी दिखेगा. तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें जो बुरा है, कहीं पर पेन है तो हमें फोकस पेन पर नहीं करना, हमें जो ऑर्गन वर्क कर रहा है उस पर फोकस करना है. अगर कहीं से पैसा नहीं आ रहा, हमें उस पर फोकस नहीं करना, कहाँ से आ रहा है हमें उस पर फोकस करना है. रिलेशनशिप में कोई चीज गलत हो रही है उस पर फोकस नहीं करना, वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन वेयर इट इज डूइंग गुड. So that is the whole idea. Do things you love. This talks about your hobbies, your some new concepts, your thoughts. Even I believe that this is about your me time, when I just like sitting alone and just having a sip of coffee or something. So that is also something which you love. You can write, you can do any creative thing, recreate something, music, dance, whatever you like doing. So find out that time for yourself. थोड़ा सा समय अपने लिए निकालिए और आप खुद से सोचेंगे कि मैं अब क्या कर सकता हूँ. आप खुद को जानिए, आप खुद को, आपको अच्छा लगेगा to do things what you love doing. Make time for rest. That is the time when you are at peace with yourself और आप आराम से कुछ भी का माइंड जो है थोड़ा सा स्टेबल हो जाता है. इट calms down when you are at rest. Practice gratitude. The most important good feeling is practicing gratitude, because that is so important for your lifestyle. When you start giving gratitude, you start creating abundance in life. आपकी लाइफ अपने आप मैजिकली ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाती है, एंड दैट इज अ गारंटीड फॉर्मूला. जब आप ग्रैटिट्यूड करते हैं, शुक्राना करते हैं, आभार प्रकट करते हैं, यू से थैंक यू, धन्यवाद, appreciate something, acknowledge something. These are different ways of giving gratitude. तो जब आप उस मोड में आ जाते हैं, you are in the positive feeling zone. You start feeling happy. There are certain chemicals which are produced in your body. Your mind, your brain gets those feelings of positivity. तो जब वो कमांड उनको सारे पॉजिटिव मिलते हैं, they start, working like that, and they give command to the body. तो फिर बॉडी भी वैसे फंक्शन करने लग जाती है, पूरा एनवायरनमेंट चेंज हो जाता है. देन इज सेट डेली टास्क. तो आपके जो भी टास्क हैं वो आपको सेट करने हैं. सपोज दे आर 10 टास्क टू बी डन टुडे. तो उन 10 टास्क में से मेरे कौन से 5 प्रायोरिटी है जो आज मुझे करने ही करने, या 3 कौन से हैं जो आज मुझे करने ही करने. सो यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आज कौन से मुझे जरूरी, सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है, उसको टॉप पे रखिए. Be present. Present is now, which is a gift given to us by the God and the universe. So we have to be available in the present and not stuck in the past. The moment we are stuck in the past, we are not in the present, and we cannot go in the future also. हम वो जो चाहते हैं करना वो हम कभी नहीं कर पाएंगे, because we are stuck in the past. तो उसके पास्ट की बेड़ियों से हमें बाहर आना है. We have to pull out the negativity and fill it with positivity. Get daily movements. तो मतलब get daily movements, मतलब सब कुछ दिखना चाहिए, सब कुछ क्या क्या हो रहा है तो वो दिखना चाहिए कि कैसे हो रहा है. आपका मतलब लाइफ में जो भी आप प्लान कर रहे हो अपना डे का, तो वो दिखना चाहिए दैट इट्स हैपनिंग. मतलब आपने लिख लिया और फिर वो कुछ हो नहीं रहा और फिर नहीं हो रहा, फिर मतलब दैट इज गेटिंग, वर्क इज बीइंग प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटेड. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन का मतलब है उसको फिर से आप पोस्टपोन कर रहे हैं, फिर पोस्टपोन कर रहे हैं. कुछ काम होता है, अच्छा कल करूंगा नहीं परसों करूंगा, अब करूंगा. तो आपको वो मूवमेंट लानी है, कुछ ना कुछ रोज मूवमेंट होना जरूरी है टू मेक इट गोइंग. क्योंकि वो एक स्टेप आप लेंगे तो दूसरा कदम आपको दिखेगा. Let go of the negativity. This is a very important point. जब तक आप नेगेटिव थॉट्स को नहीं जाने देंगे, आप पॉजिटिव, और ये जितने भी हम बातें कर रहे हैं ऊपर की 10 बातें, ये नहीं हो सकती unless you let go of the negativity. आप किसी मीटिंग में जा रहे हैं, काम पे जा रहे हैं, आप अगर पहले से ही सोच लेंगे कि पता नहीं वो देगा कि नहीं काम, पता नहीं मुझे जॉब मिलेगी कि नहीं, आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर आई विल बी एबल टू रीच ऑन टाइम, आज तो मैं लेट हो गया, मुझे पता नहीं क्या बोलेगा वो. अभी अगर कोई फोन आ जाता है बॉस का, तो आप सोचेंगे इसने मुझे बुलाया, मुझे जरूर डांटने के लिए बुलाया होगा. हो सकता है उसने आपको इसलिए बुलाया कि ही इज गिविंग यू सम न्यू टास्क, और मे बी ही इज टेलिंग यू दैट बाकी सब जो है वो काम नहीं कर रहे, बस एक तुम ही काम कर रहे हो. यू नेवर नो. तो जब हम पहले से ही बेल, अगर सपोज बेल बजती है तो मैं सोचती हूँ फोन की बेल बज गई सुबह सुबह, आज मेड ने आना नहीं है, तभी इसने मुझे फोन करा. तो जब मैं पहले से ही वो सोच लेती हूँ, that gets into my subconscious mind, and it is all the game of your mind. This whole concept what I am talking about is your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. So when you are planning your day or doing any task, let go of the negative thought. Fake it till you make it. आप ये सोचिए कि तो होगा ही होगा. एफर्मेशन एक तो लानी है विद पॉजिटिविटी, ये तो होगा ही होगा. एक स्लोगन है, निश्चय कर जीत हमारी होगी. तो मतलब आप पहले से ही सोच लीजिए कि ये काम पूरा हो चुका है, एंड यू विल सी द रिजल्ट विच वुड बी आउटस्टैंडिंग. Then is spread kindness. Because when you are spreading kindness and compassion, that comes back to you in many folds. Kindness, matlab udarta. So udar baniye and let's start our chapter. Anything anyone wants to share? You're most welcome. Or we start our reading. Sandeep, you are here, so we can start the reading.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Good. Okay. So just 1 minute. Yeah. Day 18. The magical to-do list. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please start.
The world is full of magical things want to do for our
Can you
wits to
all
grow
listen?
sharper.
क्या सबको सुनाई दे रहा है?
Hmm. Yes.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Eden Philfords. Really, when you think about it, gratitude is your best friend. It it is always there for you, always available to you. It will never fail you or let you down. And the more heavily you lean on it, the more it will do for you and the more it will enrich your life. Today's magical practice will show you how to lean on gratitude even more so it can do far more magical things for you. Every day there are little life problems that come up that need solving.
Okay.
Sometimes we
एक मिनट. First line में जो लिखा है, the world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow up, grow sharper. यहाँ पे wits का क्या मतलब है? Wit. What is the meaning of wits? Anyone? It is the right kind of intelligence. Your keen intelligence. मतलब it is wit दो तरीके से देखा जाता है. एक तो ह्यूमर के साथ भी देखा जाता है with fun, और एक देखा जाता है प्योर इंटेलिजेंस. तो जो इंटेलिजेंस है वही हमारे अगर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को चलाए, then you can create miracles in your life, because there is some force which is driving us, and that force, when is driven by the intellect and with the right kind of action that is righteous, you can really create miracle in your life. So when you lean on gratitude, मतलब जब आप अपने ग्रैटिट्यूड को अगर आप अपना दोस्त बना लेते, जैसे आप अपने दोस्त के साथ सब कुछ शेयर करते हैं, वैसे ही अगर आप ग्रैटिट्यूड के साथ सब शेयर करें तो जिंदगी बहुत मजेदार बन जाती है. यस प्लीज.
every day there are little life problems that come up and that need solving. Sometimes we can feel overwhelmed if we don't know how to solve a situation. Maybe your problem is that you don't have enough time for all the things you need to do, and you are at loss because there are only 24 hours in a day. It may be that you feel overwhelmed from work and you want more free time, but you can't see any way to have it. You may be at home taking care of children and you are feeling frazzled or exhausted, but you don't have the means to get support to give you time out. You may be faced with a problem that needs fixing, but have no idea which way to turn to fix it. You may have lost something and tried your best to locate it, but had no luck. Or you might want to find something like the perfect pet, perfect babysitter, great hairdresser, or amazing dentist or doctor. And despite your best efforts, you haven't been able to find what you need. You could be in an uncomfortable situation because of something a person has asked you to do and you don't know how to respond them. Or you could be in some kind of dispute with someone and instead of getting it resolved, things seems to be getting worse. This magical to-do list practice will help you with any little day-to-day problems when you don't know what to do or when you simply want something to be done for you. You will be amazed at the results.
So this chapter is telling you that how when you are stuck somewhere और बहुत ज़्यादा आप अपने काम में अपनी उलझनों में फंस जाते हैं and back to back you are busy, तो टाइमिंग है 24 घंटे भी आपको लगता है कि कम है, तो उसमें से आप कैसे अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं कि इतने सारे जो मेरे काम है वो मैं कैसे कर पाऊँ. What is that technique? What is that technique by which I can do it? That is what this chapter will tell you. Yes, please.
When you combine gratitude's magical power with the law of attraction, people, circumstances, and events must be rearranged to do what you want done for you. You will not know how it will happen or how it will be done for you, and that is not your job. Your job is simply to be as grateful as you can be for what you want done right now, as though it were done, and then let the magic happen. Today, create a written to-do list of the most important things you would like to be done or resolved for you, and title your list the magical to-do list. You might put things on your list that you don't have the time to do or don't want to do, along with any current problems from smallest day-to-day things to bigger life situations. Think through any area of your life where you need something resolved or done for you.
Okay. So, can anyone tell me what happens when you start writing? You can unmute and speak because I would like it to be an interactive session. This is a very important chapter which is seems very simple, but then it needs to be understood. You can unmute and speak. कि आपको
When
कैसे लगता है कि आप अपने काम में जब आप लिखने लगते हैं तो कैसे उलझने हट जाती हैं? What is that? How can
Ma'am,
you do?
when we write, we focus on our problems and day-to-day challenges
Very
more
nice.
efficiently.
Very nice. You can unmute and speak.
Well,
Yes.
when we write, I believe it kind of engraves in your, like, this is being done in the mind. So it kind of engraves to the fact that you're not thinking about it, you wrote it and you saw it visually.
Very nice. Perfect. You start visualizing it, because when you write it, this is someone has written iPhone. It gets registered in our mind when we write. Yeah, that's good. Okay, very nice. Thank you, Salil. So the thing is that when you start writing, what happens is first thing that happens is that your mind feels lighter. दूसरी चीज ये होती है कि दिस इज ऑल अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ माइंड कि जब आप लिखने लगते हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर थिंकिंग व्हेन यू राइट देयर इज अ शिफ्ट इन योर ब्रेन
Yes, ma'am.
और वो जो शिफ्ट आता है दैट मेक यू बिलीव दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन बिकॉज यू स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग सोल्यूशन देयर इज मोर क्लैरिटी आप लिखते हैं आपको याद भी होने लग जाता है आई रिमेंबर ड्यूरिंग माई कॉलेज डेज आई यूज टू एंड ऑल्सो इन स्कूल आई यूज टू रिमेंबर एंड देन राइट और वो एकदम रजिस्टर हो जाता था माइंड में इट सो हैपेंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस बट देन इट रजिस्टर्स इन द माइंड तो वो आपको और अपने आप खुद ब खुद बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशंस आपको दिखने लग जाते हैं कि अच्छा ये भी हो सकता है ये भी हो सकता है ऐसा भी करके देख एंड यू स्टार्ट विजुअलाइजिंग इट एज सलिल राइटली सेड so this is a beautiful concept because it hits your belief system you start working on it तो जहां पर आप स्टक थे अभी तक आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा था द मोमेंट यू राइट पेनिंग इट डाउन यू आर एबल टू सी a great change. You are able to visualize the whole concept, and then you see there are different areas which can be worked on. All right. Yes, please.
When you have finished making your list, choose three things from your list to focus on today, and one at a time. Imagine that each item has been magically done for you. Imagine that all people, circumstances, and events have been moved to do it for you, and it is now done, all sorted, all sorted for you, and you are giving massive thanks in return for it having been done. Spend at least 1 minute on each of your three items, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. You You can follow the same practice on the rest of the items of your list at another time, but there is a power in simply putting the things you want done on a magical to-do list. Remember that the law of attraction says like attracts like, and that means that when you are grateful for the solution as though you have them, you will attract everything you need into your life to resolve the situation. Focusing on problems attracts more problems. You have to be a magnet to the solution, not a magnet to the problem. Being grateful that you have the solution and that is that it has been resolved attracts the solution.
Okay, so that is the main idea. Being grateful that you have the solution. So you imagine that you already have it. ये हो चुका है. I already have the solution with me, and that it has been resolved. Attracts the solution. Then your mind starts working. That yes, it has been resolved, and you start getting those situations where आपका जो काम है जहाँ पर भी स्टक है तो वो रिजॉल्व होने लग जाती है. अचानक से आप देखेंगे कुछ ऐसा हैपन होने लग जाएगा कि यू स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग दैट फीलिंग ऑफ गेटिंग फुलफिल्ड. सो इट इज ऑल द एफर्मेशन विच यू गिव. उसके साथ अगर डेस्परेशन हो जाती है तो फिर इट विल नॉट वर्क. Affirmations with desperation doesn't work. If it is affirmations, like it is said, like attracts like, तो अगर आप वरी हैं या आपको बहुत कोई चिंता हो रही है, आप दुख में हैं, डिप्रेशन में हैं, you will attract again those situations in which you are worried. You again get depressed. But if you have that positive affirmation that yes, I am getting it, आपको दिख रहा है, यू आर विजुअलाइजिंग कि हाँ ये तो मुझे लग ही रहा है हो जाएगा. कितनी बारी ऐसे होता है हमें कोई काम हमें लग रहा है कि अभी होने वाला है. You are stuck somewhere but still there is some positivity that yes you feel हो जाएगा, मुझे लगता है हो जाएगा. You have that inner gut feeling that हो जाएगा और वो हो भी जाता है because somewhere you have that feeling and that feeling brings more feelings of being grateful for. तो जब आप उसमें क्या होता है आप अपने बिलीफ सिस्टम पे वर्क करते हैं. द कॉन्शियस माइंड गेट्स द फीलिंग दैट यस द वर्क इज टू बी डन और कॉन्शियस माइंड ही अट्रैक्ट करता है सिचुएशन बिकॉज दोज फीलिंग्स ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी. अगर आप दुख में वो फीलिंग सोच रहे कि हाँ चलो हो ही जाएगा मैं यही सोच लेता हूँ, बट अगर आप नेगेटिव थॉट के साथ कर रहे हैं तब तो मुश्किल है, तब नहीं हो पाएगा. मगर अगर आप पॉजिटिव थॉट के साथ कर रहे हैं देन द माइंड विल गेट दैट फीलिंग कि ये हो जाएगा. Those feeling will make more vibration and vibration is the language of the universe. You will attract similar situation in the life where you will be more grateful because you're acknowledging, you are appreciating what you have in life, and that is the law of attraction. Yes, please.
To demonstrate how powerful this magical practice is, I want to share a story with you about my daughter who used this practice to attract her lost wallet back to her. After being out one night, my daughter discovered the next morning that she did not have her wallet and she had no idea where she might have lost it, or even if it had been stolen. She called the restaurant where she went to dinner, the taxi company she used to come home, the local police station, and she searched the streets and knocked on surroundings door, but no one had found her wallet. Other than other than the fact that my daughter's wallet contained the usual precious things in it, including all her bank and credit card, driver's license, and cash. Her biggest concern was that her wallet contained no current contact information because she had been overseas for some time. She didn't have a publicly listed phone number, and with a common surname, there seemed to be no hope. But despite the seemingly impossible obstacles, my daughter sat down, closed her eyes, and got a picture of her wallet in her mind. She visualized that she was holding a wallet in her hand. She opened her wallet, she went through all its contents, and she felt enormous gratitude that she had her wallet and everything in it back and in her hands. For the rest of the day, whenever she thought of it again, my daughter imagined she had her wallet in her hands and she felt enormous elation and gratitude that her wallet had been returned to her. Later that night, she received a call from a farmer who lived 100 miles away, saying that he had found a wallet. Extraordinary part of this story is that the farmer had found the wallet in the street outside my daughter's home in the early hours of the morning, and he immediately searched the wallet looking for contact details. He made several calls in trying to find its owner, but no avail, and so he gave up and drove back to his farm with the wallet. But while he was walking out in the fields at his farm, the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him, and he decided to search through it one last time. He found a small piece of paper with a man's Christian name written on it, and so he put the Christian's name together with my daughter's surname and just called directory assistant. There was just one listing for that Christian name and surname. The farmer called the phone number, and it was the home of my daughter's father. To this day, we do not know how the farmer got that phone number because it was an unlisted number. We called directory assistance ourselves several times after this happened, and the response every time was, "Sorry, there is no listing for that name." For 100 miles away through the most extraordinary sequence of seemingly impossible events, my daughter's wallet was returned to her intact. She fulfilled her part in being grateful that she had her wallet back, and as must happen, gratitude performed its magic and moved every person's circumstances, even to return her wallet to her. The magical power of gratitude is available for you to use as well, and it always has been. You just had to discover it for yourself and learn how to use it.
Yes. So how did this happen? It happened because she already visualized it कि ये हो चुका है. मैं तो वो काउंट कर रही थी वॉलेट में कि she found her wallet and then she's counting all the currency. She visualized. One of my friends too, I remember she told me once, she lost her laptop. And then since we are doing this practice, she started writing gratitude statements जो हम लिखते हैं count your blessings. और उसमें उसने लिखा कि मुझे मेरा लैपटॉप मिल चुका है. And she started thanking the person जिन्होंने वापस दिया उनको लैपटॉप. She started thanking her laptop and all the whole situation she started doing.
हाँ जी
And yeah, तो उन्होंने वो सब करा and later she really could find, उनको वो लैपटॉप वापस मिल गया. It's a big story, but then she could find it. It so happened. Even I remember at times I used to, कभी कुछ इधर उधर चीज रख दो या नहीं मिलती थी तो मैं सोचती थी कि हाँ ये तो बस मिल जाएगी, और मैं इमेजिन करती थी कि आई डेंट नो दैट टाइम कि ये भी एक तरीका होता है. बट आई यूज्ड टू इमेजिन दैट आई हैव दैट थिंग विद मी. आई विजुअलाइज्ड इट मेनी टाइम्स और वो फिर मिल भी जाती थी. बट नाउ आई कैन रियली रिलेट टू दिस, that it really happens. Yes. So anyone would like to share कभी आपका कुछ इधर उधर रख के आप भूल गए और फिर मिल गया, or maybe you lost something and then you could find, or otherwise in your to do list you wrote something which you could visualize and then create that for yourself. Because as Einstein says that you tell yourself what you are. तो आपका belief system आप खुद बनाते हो, कोई और नहीं बनाता. जब आप एक के बाद एक अपना बिलीफ सिस्टम खुद कोई बोल देता है कि तुम वैसे हो तो तुम सोचते हो मैं तो वैसा हूँ. किसी और ने बोल दिया कि अच्छा ये चीज में भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो आप सोचते हो हाँ ये भी नहीं हो पा रहा. फिर किसी थर्ड पर्सन ने बोल दिया ये काम भी नहीं तुम्हारा हो रहा, हाँ ये काम भी नहीं हो रहा. So you start creating that belief system in you, that so many things are getting piled up, so many things I have in my mind, so many challenges I am facing, and all these negative thoughts they also start getting piled up. So apart from this to do list, एक जो negative thoughts की piling up हो रही है उसको भी हमने हटाना है. एक के बाद एक हमारे माइंड में जो बिलीफ सिस्टम आ रहा है कि मैं ये भी नहीं कर सकता और ये भी नहीं कर सकता और ये भी नहीं कर सकता, तो उसको भी हटाना है. एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ऑलवेज टॉकिंग अबाउट, टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट फियर. क्योंकि फियर ही है सबसे बड़ा कारण जो हमें कि कुछ भी आगे करने से रोकता है. So we need to come out of that. And that is only by working on our subconscious mind. And the technique which I gave you in my previous chapters was about that you need to work on it by giving positive affirmations before you sleep and after you wake up early in the morning. That is the best time when you give those affirmations. And how you give those affirmations, that I'll be doing it further, and I have also told you in previous classes. Okay, any questions, please ask till now. Any sharings? Okay, Sandeep, please continue.
Magic practice number 18, the magical to-do list. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Create a written list of 10 of most important things or problems you need done or solved. Title your list the magical to-do list. Choose three of the most important things from your list and at one at a time imagine that each thing has been done for you. Spend at least 1 minute on each thing, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic drop in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you. Thank you, Sandeep, for reading
Thank
so
you so much,
beautifully.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay, so any questions? Or I have something to share. Anybody would like to share something? So yeah, so this
Ma'am,
is
I
what
think,
about
ma'am,
today.
I mean, I
ma'am,
want to say something. Sometimes,
Yes, Manisha.
sometimes I feel it's easy to say that, okay, we should do this, that, but sometimes that will and daring you required, to do certain things which are like the challenges and all,
Yeah.
no? I mean,
Yes.
that daring and will is needed. So how do we come up with that? That is needed, na?
जो आपके अंदर जो will है, that is not so strong.
Mm.
To feel that that will is not like the will of the eagle.
Yes.
So you need to create that will. आपको खुद अपनी लाइफ खुद क्रिएट कर, जैसे मैं बता रही हूँ, यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ ब्रांड ऑफ योर सेल्फ. आपको खुद को पहले तो समझना है. It is wonderful that you are aware of this negative emotion of yours. That is the first
Yes.
step. So you have crossed that first step.
Mm.
You know कि आपको क्या shortcoming है, आपको समझ आ गई है that you need to work on this point.
Mm.
Because when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. इसका मतलब है कि आपको उतना ही एफर्ट करना है एंड यू विल फाइंड सोल्यूशन. जैसे अभी इस चैप्टर में बताया गया है कि आप जब लिखने बैठते हैं तो आपको खुद से सोल्यूशन निकलते हैं. जब आप खुद के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं आपको खुद से सोल्यूशन निकलेंगे. So I don't know which area you are talking about, but if it is about your career, then you need to work on your career. You need to work, you need to develop certain things about yourself. If you are talking about your health, तो उसके कुछ criteria हैं जो हमने बात करी है. मतलब आप किस एरिया में बात कर रहे हैं वो डिपेंड करता है. Like an eagle. क्योंकि ईगल जो है वो क्रोज के साथ नहीं घूमता. So maybe your aspirations are too high like an eagle. So then you have to be friends with those people who are like an eagle. You understand? अब अगर पिजन्स के साथ घूमोगे तो आपका थॉट प्रोसेस वैसे ही बनेगा. बट अगर आप अपने आप को समझ रहे हैं कि you're really you can create a brand of yourself and you need to work on it. See, it is all your effort.
I think we have to overcome the fears. That's
You have to. It is all
we have to
yours.
overcome our fear.
हाँ. वो see Manisha, that comes gradually. वो प्रैक्टिस से होगा. उसमें फर्स्ट स्टेप है कि आप लिखिए कि आपको कहाँ कहाँ वर्क करना है, आपको किस एरिया में कहाँ पे वर्क करना है, आपको अपना आइडेंटिफाई करना है. What are those areas in your life? Identify them in which you need to work on and which you have been taking for granted for long. अब उनको हम करते हैं ना, we take many things for granted कि चलो ये तो ठीक है, बच्चे तो मेरी बात सुन नहीं रहे हैं, तो हम उस पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं. क्योंकि बच्चे आके पूछ भी रहे हैं, मम्मा ये चाहिए, मम्मा अच्छा रुक जा अभी मैं कुछ काम कर रही हूँ. और क्या काम कर रहे हो बच्चों के लिए? तो वही आप रोटी सब्जी बना रहे हो ना, नथिंग ग्रेट.
Yes.
But his work, what he is talking about, is the most important thing at the moment. He is your child. So
Hmm.
you need to give your full attention. मतलब उनका आप belief system नहीं हिला सकते. You have to sit with him, give him time, understand what he wants. So I mean, it all talks about what your perception is and which
Yeah, to
area
predict time. Need to work on this. I
needs to
have to
be.
work on many
Yes,
things. Yeah.
absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your guidance.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so that is it. Anything else?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has a question you want to ask something? Yes, Sandeep?
Ma'am, no question. Ma'am, I think we should use our past in a, not we should not use our past in a negative way,
Yes.
but we should utilize our past memories in a positive way
Yeah.
so that we can create a career and goals better.
Wonderful. You have understood it perfectly, Sandeep, and
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
seeing a lot of transformation in Sandeep's way of thinking. His thought process has
Thank you, ma'am.
completely changed. Thank you. Thank you for your shares. क्योंकि
Ma'am,
जब हाँ जी बोलिए
ma'am, we should not be a procrastinator. We would
प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन कई
discuss.
बार सी
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
ऐसा कर लेते हैं बट उसके लिए फिर गिल्टी मत होइए क्योंकि
Ma'am, we delay something. Yes, ma'am.
डिले हो जाता है आप बस लिखते
Yes,
जाइए
ma'am.
एंड कीप डूइंग जैसे उसमें फर्स्ट टॉपिक मैंने करा था देयर शुड बी सम मूवमेंट तो अगर थोड़ा भी स्टेप लिया आपने अप्रिशिएट योरसेल्फ द थिंग इज हम सबको अप्रिशिएट करना सीख जाते हैं पर हम खुद को अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर पाते तो अगर हमने फर्स्ट स्टेप भी लिया है अगर एक बेबी स्टेप भी हम ले रहे हैं वी नीड टू अप्रिशिएट दैट बेबी स्टेप ऑफ आवर्स because that baby step will take us further to more steps and that is what about this next chapter will be about how to take further steps and how to grow and create abundance in your life that is what the next chapter is about all right wonderful तो हमें उस सब से बाहर आना है पास्ट का जैसे आप बता रहे हैं पास्ट का कुछ अगर गलत हो भी गया बिकॉज वी आर ऑल ह्यूमंस अगर कुछ गलत
Yes,
हो
ma'am.
भी गया वन नीड्स टू टेक द लर्निंग फ्रॉम दैट हम इसमें से क्या लर्निंग ले सकते हैं और
Ma'am,
हम
experience
आगे
होना
कैसे
चाहिए.
बढ़ सकते हैं क्योंकि हर
Yes, ma'am.
समय हर सिचुएशन हमें कुछ ना कुछ समझाता है सो व्हाट इज द लर्निंग फ्रॉम दैट दैट इज द होल थिंग all right so we conclude today's session
Okay, ma'am.
and thank you all for joining
Thank you,
Ma'am,
Sangeeta,
thank
for the lovely
you
session. Thank you.
you're most welcome
Thank you, Sangeeta.
thanks
Bye.
Vidhu thanks for your joining
Bye.
Bye.
bye bye
ma'am, the most amazing part of the session is when you share the videos, the amazing videos.
yes thank thanks Salil
Thank you, ma'am.
okay
Thanks.
Bye,
I
bye,
was doing the
ma'am.
yoga as well to listening to you. Thank you.
yeah first time we'll see you more often yeah
I'll try.
okay
I'll try. Thank you. I appreciate it.
thank you thanks for your appreciation thank you okay bye love you all
Bye,
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 everyone.
ma'am.
thank you
All
sir
right.
thank you Pushpinder ji
Take care. Bye.
bye
Take care.
bye take care